it's me, Angharad, from Angharads Live. And today, in this video, we thought we'd take you all along with us in IKEA.
It's going to be so fun, isn't it?
It really is.
We're already in a room and it's super pink.
It's the first time for us to go to IKEA,
Definitely.
isn't it?
So we thought we'd take you along with us for our first time.
Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. I know, man, passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt.
Close friends travel together, never wanting this to end. Singing in the car and then our destination's here. Never
I set out on a road that I built with my own two hands. I met friends on the way, people chosen to make a stand. I felt strong in the sun as I walked onto pastures green. Saw forgiveness together as spaces in between. And I'll be with you through the night. And
On today's Angharads Live video, we have a blank screen.
baby, we're children of summer. We're meant to be free. Hearted, we're not like the others. No reason to be. And my ventures, they brought me to places I'd never been. But you can walk through this world without a few punches upon your chin. I think I lost you somewhere between 20 and 23. But I still hold you dear despite the heartbreak you caused in me. 'Cause you were with me through my nights. And you filled the darkness with shining lights, yeah. Children of summer, we're meant to be free. Honey, we're not like the others, no reason to be. Lady is far in our lungs, so it's too hard to breathe. Lover, I live for the day you and I turn to we.
Pot balls.
Oh, that looks delicious. What do you think?
They're so delicious. They are. And I love the flavour and the textures too. Oh, they're really good. Here it is with the lingonberry jam. Mmm. It gives it a little flavour.
It's lovely, isn't it? It gives it that little bit of a sweetness, but not too sweet.
Not at all, no. Oh yeah, that's really nice.
Do we want some on our plate?
Definitely. Here's a plant-based biscoff cheesecake.
It looks so good.
Smells so good as well. Wow.
How's that?
Incredible. The biscuit base at the bottom, and it's not too crunchy.
No.
And then how lovely smooth the cheesecake is, and then the crunch on top too.
Yep. And on the inside of the cheesecake is a big glob of Biscoff sauce as well. So you get everything in there.
You do.
You like it?
No, I love it.
Perfect. Last bite. Oh yeah. And the plate is empty. What did you think to the cheesecake? Oh, double thumbs
What we
up.
had here at IKEA was absolutely incredible. The plant balls, the chips with the sauce.
Lingonberry jam.
With the lingonberry jam, yeah. And the Biscoff cheesecake to end.
Would you come back again?
100%.
Good.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes?
Here I have one of the gelatin-free jelly sweets.
They're good, aren't they?
They really are. It's so good to know that all the E-numbers are vegan too. They're a lovely colour flavour.
When you're ready.
We had such an amazing time at IKEA, and we really enjoyed taking you all along with us too. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Comments really do help a lot too, and we always love hearing from you. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing under the video or at the end of the video. It is free, and press the notification bell so you're notified when we post new videos. This time in the comments, we'd love so much to know if you've ever been to IKEA. And if you have, what is your favourite part? We really hope to see you all here again very soon. Bye! Take care! And bye from Sarah too!